The use of the past simple. The past simple is used to talk about an action that was done, that happened, that occurred before the present, before now. The time the action happened can be in the recent past or in the past, on the far past or the distant past. Signal words we use in the past simple, the same we studied in lesson 91. So the strong word is yesterday. So when you see yesterday, it means you need to use the past simple. Yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, yesterday night. And the second strong word of the past simple is the word last. Last night, last week, last weekend, last month, last year, last Sunday, last Monday, all the days of the week, last February, last March, last December, all the months of the year. With last, so past simple. Last summer, last spring, last autumn, last winter, all the seasons. With last, past simple. Last holiday. The third strong word is ago. 1 minute ago, 2 hours ago, 3 days ago, 4 weeks ago, 5 months ago, 6 years ago. So you must use the past simple. And when we have years with in 2020 or in 2020, in 2018, in 2018, in 2010, in 2010, in 2000, in 1999, in 1990. So when we have in with a year, you must use past simple. One thing I want to mention here, that yesterday, last, and in plus year, we can use them at the beginning of the sentence or at the end of the sentence, the same, no problem. But ago, it's better to write it at the end of the sentence. Let's continue. Verb to be positive in the past simple. You were, we were, you were, they were. Some student will ask why we used it twice, 2 times. Because the first you is one person. You. One person. And the second you, it means you all, a group of people. That's why we have 2 times you. So repeat after me. You were with subject pronouns. You were, we were, you were, they were. Some students pronounce were. It's not were, it's were. Were with were. In the last lesson we studied was, I was, he was, she was, it was. In this lesson we are going to study you were with singular form, we were, you were with plural form, and they were. Let's continue. Negative of were, weren't. Negative of was, wasn't. So we don't need do, does, no. Don't, doesn't, no. So we make the negative just with verb to be. You weren't. We weren't. You weren't. They weren't. Let's repeat after me. You weren't. We weren't. You weren't. They weren't. Let's continue. Now we have question form. Were you? So I am asking you as one person. Were you? The answer, for example, were you in the cinema last night? The answer, yes, I was, because I am asking you. So you answer with I. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Now we are asking ourselves, but you are going to answer us. You as a group or as one person. Were we in the cinema yesterday? The answer, yes, you were. No, you weren't. The second were, you, is plural. Were you in the cinema yesterday? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. And the last one, were they in the cinema yesterday? Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Let's continue. Now I'll go into see sentences. You were at college yesterday. You were at college yesterday. You weren't at university yesterday. I didn't see you there. You weren't at university yesterday. Were you at the theater yesterday? Yes, I was. Or, no, I wasn't. Let's repeat after me these 4 sentences. Were you at college yesterday? You weren't, You were at college yesterday. Negative. You weren't at college yesterday. Were you at the theater yesterday? Yes, I was. Let's go to the next slide. Sorry. You were in Toledo yesterday. Toledo is a Spanish city or a city in Spain. You weren't in Alicante yesterday. Alicante also is a city in Spain or a Spanish city. Were you in Dubai yesterday? So Dubai is an emirate in the United Arab Emirates. Were you in Dubai yesterday? No, I wasn't. Or, yes, I was. Let's repeat after me these examples. You were in Toledo yesterday. You weren't in Alicante yesterday. Were you in Dubai yesterday? No, I wasn't. Let's go to the next slide. You were excited yesterday. Excited means very happy. You were excited yesterday. You weren't hungry yesterday. You weren't hungry yesterday. Were you thirsty yesterday? Were you thirsty yesterday? No, I wasn't. Or, yes, I was. Let's repeat after me. You were excited yesterday. You weren't hungry yesterday.